Did you know there are 6 ways to pronounce Japanese letter n? こんにちは、まいです。今日はんの発音についてお話しします。In this video, you learn the tricky Japanese sound n today. 始めましょう。みかん。みかんも好き。Let's start with the word みかん。This n sound is different from n sound in English. To make the n sound in English, you place your tongue behind the back of the front teeth. On the other hand, to make the regular n sound in Japanese, the back of your tongue should be raised towards the back of your mouth. And then let the air comes out through your nose while your vocal cords vibrates. So it will sound like this. N, n. For example, I don't, キリン、わかりません。But n sound changes depends on the sound comes after it. This n in this sentence is different from the previous one, so listen to it carefully. So this sentence sounds like this. みかんも好き. To pronounce this n sound, your mouth should be like this. So here is a rule. When the next sound starts with P, B, or M, you need to close your mouth and prepare for the next sound. For example, さんま、音符、散歩、コンビ. So instead of pronouncing this word as sa-ma, try pronouncing like samma. If you're trying to master Japanese sound, check my other videos. またね